Welcome back to another video. Today we're just going over the website, the parts website for Harbor Freight. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more to reviews to deals. In the coupon book, send you like a little letter inside the coupon book. Then pretty much what he's saying on this is that they are going to create like a website or a certain um, tool list, or not a tool list, like a parts list for most of the popular tools, like other compressors, generators, anything with the Predator, uh, welders, even the hand tools. Anyways, they are going to create like a parts list. So we're just going to go over this really quick right now. This see what they have done so far. So pretty much this is the website here. It says, let's see here, 3 days left, get it before December 24th, ground shipping. All right, so we got this is the Harbor Freight website. How you get here is you type in www.harborfreight.com /parts. So that's how you get to this website or this page. It's actually the same website, but it's a division, it's the parts division you could call. So right here, we have the Harbor Freight replacement parts. We got a Vulcan welder, Predator, and then a Predator pressure washer, central pneumatic compressor. And then we got a toolbox here. We got how long to order replacement parts. It says download parts list, replacement full and starts parts list. So number 1 is download the thing. Number 2 is find the item. Number 3 is find the part number. So you got to write down the part number. And then number 4 is call to order. So you got to call this number to place the order. It says if you don't see the item, even if we don't stock replacement parts in our warehouse, we can special order parts and for many brands. Download the special order list. So you can download the special order list if you don't see any parts up here. And it says check back frequently. Don't see parts you're looking for, check in again soon. We're constantly expanding replacement parts. So they are going to be adding more parts to this. And some of the brands that they have here is the Fortress, Diamondback, Crossenbecker, Daytona, Vulcan, US General, Pierce, Hercules, Badland, Icon, Earthquake XT, Predator, McGraw, Banks, Bauer, Titanium, and many more. So pretty much we're going to get all those parts. I'm just going to download this real quick so you guys could see what's going on with this. So right now you're seeing in-stock replacement parts. It says how to order. They tell you you have to call the number, write down the part number. It says stop before you order, please. So they're telling you that you do have to get the item number out of the tool. It's the best way to identify the tool, because there's a lot of tools that look the same, but they are different. They are made in a different company or a different place. So this is one of the a few of the ones that they have right now, a few of the lists. So they got a whole bunch of brands there. So we're just going to do an example here on the first one. So on the first one, we got Badland 2,500 pound ATV utility winch. And then we got the parts down below. It says remote transmitter assembly, $22. Solenoid assembly with remote, $23.98. And remote transmitter assembly, $23.98. And then you got item numbers over here. So obviously you got to match your item number. Make sure it is the correct item number. And then you got the part number here. Description. So you got to write down all this basically and tell them or let them know. Diagram reference. And then you got to tell them the price, I guess. Yeah, and like I said, they're just barely starting on this, so they're going to have more as they move on. All right, let's go back. I'm going to download this PDF. It says custom order part replacement. Because me, I have Hercules. So I'm going to go down. So I guess this is clickable. I don't know if well, this was it says click down below. Click on the brand, but it's not really clickable, see. Oh, it does. It does take you to the H. There you go. So it says Hallmaster Hex Breaker Hammer with maximum vibration control. And then you got the 15 amp compact job site table saw. So these are I guess these are the special order parts that you can order, I guess. Here's the items. Anyways, let's go back. Yeah, so I just want to share this with you guys real quick. See what Harbor Freight's offering, or latest news on Harbor Freight. I would suggest make it easier on the customers. I know they're barely rolling this out. But something like this, like a little box where you can put the item number and then you can search out for the part. That'll be suggested. If Harbor Freight's watching this, I would suggest you guys do that. It'll be making it a lot easier on the customers. So you can basically log into a website, something like this, and then just type in the part number, pretty much the part number, and then you can look at all the parts list and just check out through the website. That'll be a lot easier on Harbor Freight and on us as customers, because it'll be available 24/7. So that would be a suggestion that they would do to improve this. And they're already improving a lot by adding all these parts, because they know, some of these parts break. And it's something that's going to happen if you use them every day, or if you beat them up every day, pretty much. Anyways, just thought I want to share that with you guys. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tour reviews, studios, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.